Hey there! Having trouble with the picture quality on your Toshiba TV? You're in the right place. In this guide, we're diving into the details on how to fix resolution on a Toshiba TV. From blurry images to pixelated screens, optimizing your TV's display can transform your viewing experience. Let's get that crisp, clear picture you deserve. Step 1. Check your source. The first step in fixing your Toshiba TV's resolution is to ensure your video source supports the desired resolution. Whether you're using a cable box, gaming console, or streaming device, make sure it's capable of outputting in high resolution mode. Most modern devices offer settings to adjust output resolution. Navigate to the settings menu on your device and confirm it is set to match or exceed your TV's native resolution capabilities, typically 1080p or 4K. Step 2. Adjust Toshiba TV settings. Once your source is set, it's time to adjust your Toshiba TV. Begin by selecting the proper input using your remote. Next, press the menu button and navigate to Picture Settings. Here, look for the Display Settings or Resolution option. Depending on your Toshiba model, the menu may vary slightly, but generally you'll find options to toggle between resolutions like 720p, 1080p, or UHD for 4K TVs. Select the resolution that best matches your source device and screen capabilities. Step 3. Adjust aspect ratio. Resolution issues aren't just about pixels. Sometimes it's about the screen fit. Head back to the Picture Settings section and find the aspect ratio or screen size menu. Toshiba TVs offer several aspect ratios, including 16:9 widescreen, 4:3 standard, and zoom models. For most modern content, 16:9 is the ideal choice. Choose the ratio that fits your content without cutting off edges or distorting images. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If adjusting the settings doesn't resolve your issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Refer to your Toshiba TV manual for specific instructions, as the reset process can differ between models. Typically, this involves navigating to Settings or Setup, selecting System, and choosing Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all personal settings and configurations, so proceed only if necessary. Step 5. Keep firmware updated. Finally, ensure your Toshiba TV's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers periodically release updates to improve performance and fix bugs, which may include resolution issues. Using your TV's system or settings menu, check for software updates. If available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install them. Fixing your TV's resolution can seem daunting, but following these straightforward steps ensures your Toshiba TV delivers the sharp, vivid display it was designed for. From verifying your video source's output to fine-tuning your TV settings, every modification can make a significant impact. And remember, keeping your firmware updated can ward off potential issues before they arise. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your enhanced viewing experience. Your Toshiba TV is now ready to bring your favorite shows and movies to life in stunning clarity.